Restores the hair's natural moisture balance. Protects the hair from high heat, long-lasting softness and shine. With consistent use, your hair will begin to show improved elasticity, hydration and shine. Item package dimension: 8.75 L by 8.5 W by 3.5 H. Organic Root Stimulator Olive Moisturizing Hair Lotion. Ultra-rich moisturizing hair lotion restores the hair's natural balance. It includes moisturizing olive oil to condition and help protect hair from heat styling. With consistent use, hair will begin to show improved elasticity, hydration and shine. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. So glad that I found a product that I can use on my hair as well as my 2 daughters. We all have different textures and curl patterns, but this is one product that works well for the 3 of us. Great value too.